Lauren, you got a problem there?
Yeah.
Jake, call Sunny again. See what
Sunny! Come on, Sunny!
Hey, girl! Hey! Hey!
Alright, I'm ready.
And he's gone. He's gone. Alright, move it. Move, Jake, so we can see you.
Wait, no, don't move! Don't move!
He's gone. Jake is completely buried. More fun than sand. Not really. Jake, come up before my battery runs out. Look at the camera. Ooh, your neck's gonna be cold.
Yep.
Pull your neck thing down.
Yep.
Oh. And Midnight.
I ran out of breath.
Watch Midnight. She's getting her power. Get it, Midnight. Get it, Midnight.
Hey. Yep, it went down my shirt.